Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna make an easy recipe. We're gonna make cucumber and a tuna salad. So we have here 2 cucumbers. We're just washing off them in some water, and we're gonna move on to cutting them into thin slices, very thin slices, very thin like this, guys, so that you can like see through the slices. That's how thin they're supposed to be. This is gonna take a while because they're supposed to be very thin, so this takes roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. So after cutting the cucumber into thin slices, this is how it is looking, thin like that, guys. Right, so we're just going to complete cutting the cucumber. So it should look like this, guys. So once you run the knife through it, you can like see the knife underneath the cucumber slices. That's how thin is thin, right? Okay, so after doing that, we have here the ingredients for the recipe. So we have the thin sliced cucumbers, we have our grater, and we have some tuna. So this is the finished product. We also have an onion there. So for most salads, like vegetable salads and also like Irish potato pasta, I like to grate some onion in them whenever I'm making the pasta or salad. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. But if you have like purple onions, or if you have some cucumber, lettuce or tomato, you can go ahead and cut some of those and put in. But this is a quick and easy one, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and grate the onion onto the cucumber. Next, we're going to put the tuna into the bowl with the cucumber. We're going to also add a pinch of salt. If you have black pepper, you can go ahead and add black pepper. And we're going to add a little bit of mayo. But if you want to add more mayo or anything else, you can go ahead and add whatever you like. Just be creative with this salad, and you can add as much things as you like. But as I said, this is a quick and easy one. It requires only 2 ingredients, the tuna and the sliced cucumbers. And this is how it is looking. Very simple, right? I do hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So with my salads, I just like to go ahead and like put a plastic bag, a plastic wrap over it, and just pop them into the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes. Take it out, and then I'm good to go. Only thing you need is a glass of water or some orange juice. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, check out this playlist.